pathology type, and that is the metastatic serous papillary adenocarcinoma. If you take that to unspecified site, you should have gotten C56.9, which is the ovary. But we know they're treating the bone, so we know the bone is secondary, so that's C79.51 is your principal, and C56.9 as your primary site.
Can you walk through that one?
Yes.
I'm not getting there.
Okay, so we're going to look up serous papillary adenocarcinoma, because what we're trying to do is figure out where does that usually start. Okay, so let's look up adenocarcinoma. And I'm going to go papillary. So I'm on page 11, I'm in the middle column, papillary serous. And then I don't know, I'm trying to find out where it is, so I go to unspecified site. Gives me that C56.9, I look that up, that's ovary. And I say, oops, ours is in the bone, so it must have spread from the ovary. So bone is my secondary site, but it's listed first because it doesn't even talk about the ovary here. So they were coming in for the bone. Then your C56.9. Metastatic infiltrating duct cell carcinoma female. Oh, we did that one in class. Sorry. Metastatic odontogenic fibrosarcoma codes out to C41.1. And then you would, because it's metastatic, you have an unknown secondary site of C79.9. And then chondroblastic osteosarcoma of the limb with metastases. Again, that's going to code out to C40.90. You have an unknown secondary site, C79.9. Any others of those that we need to look at? No?
Those are the ones that you did in class. I wasn't here.
Okay.
2, 6, 8.
Okay. 2 is C79.31 and C80.1. Number 6 is C79.31, C78.00, and C80.1. Number 8 is C18.4 and C79.9. And 14 is C50.919 and C79.9. Okay, moving right along to page 457. Okay, we did one in class, but it codes out to C92.Z1. Number 2 would be C83.37.
Okay, that one.
You want to look that one up?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to sarcoma. Okay, and we're going to come down to reticulose, whatever it was, reticulocell. Okay, and that tells us to see, wait, do we have any other info on that? No. It says, see lymphoma diffuse large cell. So we're going to go lymphoma. Diffuse large cell. Do we have any more info about it? We're going to get that C83.3 right there because we don't have anything else. So then when you go look up C83.3,
That was easy.
then we're going to go get the spleen. Okay? C83.37. Okay. Number 3 is going to be C83.32. Number 4 is C81.96. Number 5 is C92.10. We did number 6 in class, that's C90.10. Number 7 we did in class, that's C34.90 and C77.1. And number 8 we did in class, C84.08. Number 9 is A55. Number 10 is D24.2. Number 11 is C83.33. And number 12 is C84.41.
On that, number 9, the A55, I saw where it said that, but I didn't understand. So you only code the
A55.
A55, okay.
Let me
I
see.
saw
what
that, but I was
it-
like, really?
It had something in there that told you different?
No, I don't know what my thinking was. I saw the A55 and I think I was like,
Is
that's
that it? Yeah, and it's not in a C code?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was mine.
It's because it's due to chlamydia. So it
Right.
took it back to the infectious disease chapter.
Okay.
Okay.